The Innovators Club so far has been super interesting. I came in, to be honest, with the expectation of working mainly around the challenge that we provided, but also gaining so much of a perspective, just talking to different people from, for example, chemical industry. And it's super interesting to get their perspective on not just the challenges we face at Lilly or in the pharma industry, but also from their own industry perspective.
Everybody's very open, so it's easy to get in contact first and then start a deep discussion very early. So it's very productive, it's fun, and it's a great mixture along the value chain.
I think the Innovators Club is one of those rare instances, one of those rare events where there are 100% intrinsically motivated people.
There is a group coming together which works cross-industry. It covers topics which are relevant for all of us, for many industries. And I can get impressions and ideas not only coming from peers out of my industry, but also from other industries.
We are sharing our learnings and also gaining different insights and what challenges we face and how can we work on it together. It's a lot of fun being here and working with everyone together. So yeah, nothing to add, but also a very positive experience.